For effective coding and a successful career, having a comfortable and optimized monitor is essential. The outdated image of a disheveled hacker is counterproductive. Today's coders value comfort, long-term careers, and productivity. With remote work on the rise, investing in a quality monitor is crucial. Consider our top programming monitor recommendations to enhance your work life. Number 1. Samsung Business S27R650 FDN. The Samsung Business S27R650 FDN has business right in the name, but does it hold up to being the best value monitor for programming work? Based on the features and specs that Samsung has managed to pour into it, we'd respond with a resounding yes. That's without mentioning one of the most business-like features of all, its economical energy-saving mode and bargain sticker price. With workers in mind, the Samsung Business uses the included Eye Saver mode to reduce blue light from the monitor. Flicker-free technology is also included to keep your eyes comfortable and feeling rested through a long shift. Especially useful for teams and collaborative efforts, the Samsung Business has a 172-degree viewing angle and a wide connectivity panel to support a wide range of devices, including those that use USB 3.0, including B-Type, USB 2.0, DisplayPort, HDMI, and old-school RGB. For those with a ton of devices, this will certainly be the best value monitor for programming. The only caveat to this is that the DisplayPort is touchy and unreliable, dropping for some users. Number 2. Asus ROG Strix XG16. It shouldn't surprise you that the best portable monitor for any task comes from a company that offers excellent, at times affordable, battlestation accessories. The Asus ROG Strix 15.6-inch portable monitor is one of only a handful of models with a 144 Hz refresh rate, which is necessary for gamers but will make cursor and window movement buttery smooth while writing code. The display also has many features that other portable monitors lack, including a rotating kickstand that allows you to orient the display vertically or horizontally. This kickstand makes the display more solid than the magnetic stands that come with most portable displays. Another nicety is the display's stereo speakers, which aren't powerful but will work in a pinch. If you really want to max out the performance your programming setup, Asus also makes an even bigger 17.3-inch version of the Strix portable monitor with a 240 Hz refresh rate. Most people, even gamers, don't need a 240 Hz display, so we recommend the less expensive model. Number 3. Samsung Odyssey G9. Here's another fantastic ultra-wide option for your gaming and programming pleasure. Much like our pick for the overall best monitor for programming, the Samsung Odyssey G9 provides a massive screen ready to fit many windows, charts, graphs, debug menus, and the like. What's different about the G9 is that it is also one of the best ultra-wide gaming monitors, with insanely high refresh rates of 240 Hz and a 1 millisecond response time. Add the AMD FreeSync technology that ensures that your monitor matches a compatible graphics card frame by frame, and you have a recipe for back-to-back after-work headshots. Additionally, the G9 has a curve at a degree that copies the curve of the human eye. This helps reduce the need to constantly bend your neck to take in the fullness of the screen. That doesn't mean you'll never wish to crane your neck or tilt your head while using a G9, of course, but you should notice a subtle reduction in neck and shoulder stress when compared to other curved monitors for programming. Number 4. LG 34WN80CB Ultra-Wide Monitor. This monitor is ultra-wide, the perfect size, and has on-screen controls to make it the best possible experience for people wanting to use multiple windows at once. The LG 34WN80CB Ultra-Wide is designed for intensive programming at home. This is seen in its on-screen tech, maneuverability, and MacBook Pro connectivity. It is also one of the best ultra-wide monitors for working at home. The first way this can be seen is through the huge customization ability available through LG's on-screen control options. Using this feature, you can subdivide your screen into defined boxes. Click, drag, and pop your relevant windows into place to fill each section and get the most out of the monitor. You'll notice that you have space for debugging windows, coding screens, GitHub pages, and more all on one monitor without feeling cramped. Naturally, the 34-inch ultra-wide size of this LG plays into that, but the on-screen controls will certainly pull their weight. Number 5. BenQ GW2780. Our best budget monitor for programming, the BenQ GW2780, stays cheap but has many nifty features that make it worthwhile for programming or any other purpose. You can see the standard features that make it great for programming with a 27-inch screen or its 100 by 100 VESA mount capabilities. However, the extra features that aren't costing you any extra make the BenQ outcompete other budget monitor contenders. One cool example is a sensor that adjusts your screen's brightness for you automatically. Another is the built-in cord control in the stand. Sure, these aren't features most of you are begging for, but these kinds of thoughtful touches show that BenQ is going the extra mile to make a worthwhile product for the budget tier.